morning, students. In the last period, problem depend on integration by parts. So before go to the next type of formula, so once again you have to remember the integration by parts formula and working rule for that is integration by parts. So integration by parts formula. So first function into integral of the second function minus under the integral sign integral of the second into derivative of the first function. So this is the formula. So then by applying the integration by parts, so just you have to observe the given problem is elate form or not. So if the given problem is not in the elate form, so interchange the term, then again you have to apply the integration by parts formula and you have to write in the simplest form. Suppose in the given problem only one single function is given, so multiplied by that is 1. So by applying the integration by parts, at least two functions are that is required. So today in this period I want to discuss with so that is remaining. So that is three important, that is the formula. First one is in the question paper, find the integral of, so integral of square root of x square minus a square into dx is given. Question paper ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದದ, ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, so integral of that is the square root of x square plus a square into dx is equal to ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So x divided by 2 into that is the square root of x square plus a square divided by 2 log of mod of x plus that is the root of x square plus that is a square plus constant c. So last third one is integral of root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to x divided by 2 root of a square minus that is x square, then minus that is a plus a square divided by 2 into sin inverse of that is x by a plus constant that is a c. Question paper ದಲ್ಲಿ find the integral of, so integral of square root of x square minus a square into dx ಇಷ್ಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, or that is the solution for the right, that is the first one. Integral of that is the square root of, very simple, integral of root of that is x square root, and then minus that is a square root into that is dx is given. So find the integral of root of x square minus a square into dx. Question paper dalli itte irtade. Then so next one important step is that is integral of, right, that is the square root of x square root and then minus that is a square root multiplied by that is 1 into that is the dx. So call as that is root of x square minus a square is the first function, then simply 1 is nothing but that is the second function. By applying the integral by, right, that is the parts and apply integration by parts approach. The formula is the first function into integral of the second function minus that is under the integral sign integral of the second into derivative of the that is the first function. By applying the integration by parts, so starting that is I is equal to a given integral, therefore that is I is equal to, by applying the integration by parts, so first function as it is, right, that is the square root of that is x square root, and then minus that is a square as it is into integral of that is 1 of the integral that is x, then minus under the integral sign, so that is integral of the second function under that is x into derivative of the first function root x derivative 1 divided by that is 2 into root x ಅಂತ ಅದಾರೆ. ಸೊ root x derivative ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by that is 2 into square root of, right, that is x square and then minus that is a square into derivative that is x square multiplied by that is 2x into that is the dx. Again, you have to write the given things in the simplest form. Therefore, that is I is equal to starting with x and the x into that is the square root of right, that is x square, and then the minus, and that is a square as it is, and then minus under the integral sign, right, that is here 2 is get cancelled. ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ x multiplied by x means that is x square. So this whole divided by denominatorದಲ್ಲಿ that is the square root of right, that is x square minus that is a square into that is dx. Then come to next step, important step, I is equal to right, that is x as it is into that is the square root of right, that is x square, and then minus, and that is a square minus inside the right, that is the flower bracket. So integral of make a fine arrangement. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದೊಂದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, then subtract that is minus, that is a square, then again add that is a plus, that is a square. So this 4 divided by denominator right, that is the square root of x square minus that is a square with respect to into that is dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ flower bracket ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So here very important step means ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. right, that is x square, then subtract minus a square, then add plus a square cancel, other simply that is x square is, that is remain. Okay, then come to next one, final arrangement. So that is I is equal to that is x as it is into that is the square root of right, that is x square minus that is a square inside that. So that is a flower bracket. Lunchikadon flower bracket agi integral of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕು. x square minus a square divided by that is the square root of x square minus a square one term, then plus a square divided by root of x square minus a square another one term. Okay, so integral of right, that is x square, then minus that is a square. So this 4 divided by that is the square root of x square, and then minus that is a square as it is, and then second term right, that is a square divided by that is the square root of x square minus that is a square. So with respect to that is the dx. So that is the flower bracket is completed. Then next important step. So therefore that is I is equal to, very simple, I is equal to x into that is the square root of right, that is x square, and then the minus that is a square minus inside the flower bracket. So you have to write the given things in simplest form. The ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so that is a divided by that is root a can be written as that is root a into that is root a divided by that is root a is get cancelled, simply that is the required thing is that is root a. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು a ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು that is root a can be written as that is root a into root a divided by that is root a cancel, other simply remaining thing is that is root a is remains on the same line. So that is integral of that is the square root of that is x square, and then minus that is a square one term, and then plus that is next term ದಲ್ಲಿ right, that is a square divided by denominator root of that is x square minus that is a square into the whole term multiplied by into that is the x. Flower bracket and complete ಮಾಡಿ. Then next step, therefore that is I is equal to, so that is x as it is into that is the square root of right, that is x square minus that is a square inside that. So flower bracket minus in the bracket, So here separate are the integral variable. Integral of right, that is root of x square minus that is a square into that is dx one term. Then plus that is integral of a square na already common tagada bareri. So that is a square into integral of 1 divided by root of that is x square minus that is a square into dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ flower bracket ಅನ್ನು complete ಮಾಡಿ. Then come to next one important step. Right, that is I is equal to that is x into that is the square root of x square minus that is a square as it is minus in the word into ಮಾಡಿ minus that is integral of root of that is x square and then minus that is a square into that is the dx. So that is minus multiplied by plus means minus. Right, that is a square into integral of 1 divided by that is the square root of x square minus that is a square into that is dx. Therefore given integral that is I is equal to given integral that is I is equal to, so that is x in the bracket that is the square root of x square minus that is a square that is as it is. So this is the again that is original integral I. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ original integral I ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So that is minus I. Then the next term minus that is minus in the bracket. So that is minus totally, right, that is minus right, that is a square into, so integral of 1 divided by x square minus a square. Already list of formula you know that formula for, so integral of 1 divided by root of x square minus a square formula bರ್ತದೆ. So that is log of that is mod of x plus that is the root of, right, that is x square minus that is a square then plus that is a constant that is a c. ಇದು minus I ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬರಿ. So that is I plus that is I is nothing but right, that is 2y is equal to, so that is x as it is into that is the square root of x square minus that is a square ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Then minus that is a square into log of mod of x plus root of, right, that is x square minus that is a square then plus that is the c at the end. So I is equal to ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Therefore that is I is equal to totally ಈ 2 ದಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ divided by ಮಾಡಿ. So that is x divided by 2 into that is the square root of, right, that is x square minus that is a square then minus that is a square divided by 2 into log of mod of that is x plus that is the square root of x square minus that is a square then plus that is a constant that is c. We get it. So first case x divided by 2 into square root of x square minus that is a square minus a square divided by 2 into log of mod of x plus that is root of x square minus a square then plus that is the c. On the same line, so problem formula number that is 2 and similarly that is the formula number 3. Same steps ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ get and so that is the formula number that is 2. Okay, then come to example formula number that is 2. Right, that is the solution for formula number 2. I is equal to given integral, so integral of, right, that is the square root of, so So that is x square and then a plus and that is a square into that is dx. Then on the same line I is equal to integral of, right, that is the root of x square and then plus and that is a square multiplied by that is 1 into that is x. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು steps same on the same line ಅದ. Therefore, so that is the first function. Similarly, that is the second function. By applying the integration by, right, that is the parts and apply by applying integration by parts. So therefore I is equal to, right, that is the first function, that is the square root of that is x square plus that is a square as it is into integral of that is the second one is that is x, then minus under the integral sign. Integral of the second means that is x into derivative of the first one divided by that is 2 into square root of, right, that is x square plus that is a square into derivative of that is x square means that is 2x into that is x. So ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that is 2 and that is 2 is get cancel. Then you have to write the remaining things. So that is I is equal to starting at x anta baradi, that is x into that is the square root of, right, that is x square and then plus that is a square. So remaining term that is minus under the integral sign. X into x means that is x square divided by denominator that is the square root of, right, that is x square plus that is a square into that is x. Then make a final arrangement. Therefore that is I is equal to that is x as it is into square root of, right, that is x square plus that is a square as it is, then minus that is under the integral sign. Make a final arrangement. So denominator of x square plus that is a square on the same line. Numerator make a arrangement x square plus a square ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ a square ಅನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಿ, right, that is x square and then plus and that is a square and then minus and that is a square divided by that is the square root of x square and then plus and that is a square into that is x. Again you have to write in the simplest form. I is equal to that is x as it is into that is the square root of that is x square plus that is a square and then minus inside the integral of minus under the integral sign. Make it two separated term x square plus a square divided by this term minus a square divided by this term, right, that is x square plus that is a square divided by denominator again that is x square plus that is a square and then minus that is a square divided by a root of, right, that is x square plus a square into dx. Okay, make a final arrangement. So integral first one is in the form of, suppose numerator ಅನ್ನು b ಮಾಡಿ denominator ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ that is root b. Numerator is b divided by that is root b. b can be written as root b into root b divided by that is root b. Root b is get cancelled. Simply that is numerator is root b. So this term can be written as I is equal to that is x as it is into that is the square root of that is x square plus that is a square and then minus under the integral sign. So on the same line, so this term is, right, root of that is x square plus that is a square ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ, then minus next term minus that is a square divided by ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದೊಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ, so that is minus that is a square divided by that is the square root of x square plus that is a square into that is x. Therefore rewrite the given things. Therefore I is equal to that is x into that is the square root of, right, that is x square plus that is a square and then minus. So there is separate integral minus into integral of, right, that is root of x square plus that is a square into that is x. minus of minus means plus, plus that is integral of, right, that is a square divided by, that is the square root of x square plus that is a square into that is x. Okay, rearrange the given things. So therefore I is equal to, that is x multiplied by, that is the square root of, that is x square plus that is a square as it is minus. So this is the original integral I is equal to starting in suppose ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ I ಅಂತ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ I then a square ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ then plus that is a square into integral of 1 divided by that is the square root of x square plus that is a square into that is x. Again that is I is equal to, that is x multiplied by, that is the square root of, right, that is x square and then plus that is a square minus I and ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆರಿ then plus that is a square integral of last term integration of integral of 1 divided by root of x square plus a square. Already a list of formula 6 formula ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದದ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So that is the plus a square into that is log of, its integration is log of mod of x plus that is the root of, right, that is x square and then plus a square and then plus that is a constant that is a c. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ I ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ totally y plus I means that is 2y is equal to x into that is the square root of, right, that is x square plus that is a square and then plus that is a square multiplied by that is log of mod of x plus that is the root of, right, that is x square and then plus that is a square and then plus that is a constant that is the c. And at the end ಮಾಡಿ. So ಈ 2 ದಿಂದ ಅವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore I is equal to, that is totally x divided by that is 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ into that is the square root of, right, that is x square plus that is a square and then plus that is a square divided by that is 2 into, so that is log of mod of x plus that is the root of, right, that is x square and then plus that is a square and then plus constant that is a c. We get the second formula. Integral of root of x square plus a square into dx means x divided by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square divided by 2 log of mod of x plus root of x square plus a square plus that is the c. Then come to the, so last one is that is the third one. Solution for the third formula, right, that is solution for third case. So integral of, so that is integral of that is the square root of, right, that is a square minus that is x square into that is the x. Then starting in I is equal to, I means that is given integral I is equal to that is the square root of, right, that is a square and then minus and that is x square multiplied by 1 into that is the x. So that is the first function. Similarly that is the second function. Apply the integration by that is the parts. Okay, by applying the integration by that is the parts, integration by parts and apply ಮಾಡಿ. Therefore I is equal to first function as it is, and that is the square root of a square minus and that is the x square into integral of the second. Integral of that is one is that is x. Integral of that is the second. And then minus under the integral sign. integral of the second into derivative of the first. Root of the derivative 1 divided by, that is 2 into root of a square, and then minus, that is x square multiplied by, and that is x square integration minus derivative minus, that is 2x. Again you have to write in a simplest form. I is equal to starting x and x into, and that is the square root of, right, and that is a square minus, and that is x square as it is, and then minus inside the flower bracket. So that is integral of 2 is get cancelled. So minus x minus, that is x square. So this 4 divided by, and that is the denominator. Right, that is a square minus, and that is x square into dx. So flower bracket is complete. So therefore I is equal to given integral x into, right, that is the square root of a square, and then minus, and that is x square minus inside the flower bracket. Make a fine arrangement. Integral of the denominator high numerator adjustment ಮಾಡಿ. So that is a square, and then minus, and that is x square, and then minus, and that is a square. A square ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿ, a square ಅನ್ನು subtract ಮಾಡಿ, dividing by the denominator and that is the root of a square, and then minus, and that is x square into dx. So flower bracket is complete. Again you have to make a fine arrangement. So therefore I is equal to, that is x into square root of, right, that is a square minus, and that is x square as it is. So inside the, so minus inside the flower bracket, make a fine arrangement. A square, and then minus, and that is x square divided by denominator again a square minus, and that is x square. Then the next term minus divided by minus, and that is a square divided by, that is the root of a square minus, and that is x square into, that is dx. Flower bracket and complete money. Same on the same line. Therefore I is equal to, that is x as it is into root of, right, that is a square minus, and that is x square as it is. So minus inside the flower bracket. So that is inside the integral of the b divided by root b, and simply root b square root of, right, that is a square, and then minus, and that is x square. Then the remaining term as it is minus, and that is a square divided by, and that is the root of a square minus, and that is x square into dx. So flower bracket is complete. So therefore I is equal to, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So therefore I is equal to, that is x as it is into, that is root of a square, and then minus, and that is x square minus in the word into ಮಾಡಿ. So that is minus integral of root of a square, and then minus, and that is x square into dx. ಇದು one integration. ಈ minus ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ minus of plus, right, that is a square into integral of 1 divided by, and that is the root of a square minus, and that is x square into, that is x. Then come to next one important step. Therefore I is equal to x as it is into, that is the square root of a square minus, and that is x square as it is. So then originally value is, that is minus sign. The word original term ಬರ್ತದೆ I ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ I ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Then plus, and that is a square, its integral 1 upon a square minus x square integration is sin inverse. ಇದು already formula add ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. That is the sin inverse of x divided by a, then plus constant c. ಈ minus sign ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Minus sign I plus I ಅಂದರೆ totally that is a 2y. So that is the 2y is equal to x as it is into, that is root of a square minus x square and ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Then plus, that is a square into, that is the sin inverse of, right, that is x by a, then plus, that is a c. At the end divided by, that is a 2. So totally I is equal to, original integral I is equal to ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ I is equal to, so divided by 2 model, x divided by 2 into that is the square root of a square minus that is x square, and then plus that is a square divided by that is the 2 into that is the sine inverse of x divided by a, then plus constant that is a c. We get the third formula, x divided by a root of a square minus x square plus a square divided by that is a 2 into sine inverse of x by a plus that is a c. So you move formula for the point of annual exam important in the list of that is a 3 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 marks ನಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so tomorrow onwards I want to start with the example depend upon these 3 formula. So thank you, 1 9 all.